Panginoon. Kasunod. Cut. Hit sa kaliwa. Cut.
Allow aircraft commanders to prepare their respective units.
Iyalah, kita boleh.
Global citizenship, mutual understanding, and lifelong friendship. The nurturing, supportive, and safe community situated in a beautiful natural environment is committed to enhance learning through vibrant campus life. Aside from a rich academic experience, learners have varied opportunities to hone their God-given talents and interests through the school's comprehensive program in sports and performing arts. Thus, true to the school's motto, virtue and science. Today's St. Augustine Makati is a basic education school run by the Order of St. Augustine, OSA, a religious order which traces its origins back to its illustrious founder, St. Augustine. Called Augustinians, the members of this order are in over 40 countries today and educational institutions around the world. Recognized pioneers of Christianity in the Philippines, the Augustinians under Fray Andres de Urdaneta first set foot in
Sumunod ka. Tumanda sa pagbunog ng kalis. Ang tabay puno. Kalis. Buklurin! Stop! Tanggapin ang ulo. Bumanda sa pagsasalay sa harap-harapan. Harap sa likod! Harap! Harap sa kaliwa! Harap! Harap sa likod! Harap! Second nerve. Harap sa kanan. Harap! Tanggapin ang hula.
At this juncture, the Corps Commander directs the Corps Adjutant to receive the report from respective air group commander.
Ulan! Hindi! Unang lipo! Hindi ka lahat! Ulan! Hindi! Dalawang lipo! Agi ka lahat! Ulan! Hindi! Nandito mo nga lahat! At ibawag na naman! Hindi!
Kaya ang kapisan.
Ay, gusto mo kasi komandante! Para! Mga pinuno! Sumunod! At sumasin na! Cut!
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching is the 39 strong Corps of Cadet officers of Kaleo San Agustin, Makati, as they perform the Officer Center, showcasing their oneness, camaraderie, and the fruit of their year-round training. Despite the 3-year pause of the program, this batch survived the ACP training.
Hindi ko lang. Sinunod ko. Cut! Ginoo, ang darap ng mabuti at tamang pagtagal.
We request our guest of honor and speaker to join in trooping the line. Thank you, sir.
Sumunod ko. Kon. Pasig! Harap sa kanan! Look!
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the Corps Commander and your staff under the command of Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Naomi Hayden G. Bautista, First Class. Approaching the First Air Group under the command of Cadet Captain Marcos Joaquin A. Buena, First Class. Approaching is the Alpha Squadron Commander and Staff under the command of Cadet First Class John Pino. Approaching is the Alpha First Class Flight under the command of Cadet Luigi Antonio R. Agustin, First Class. Approaching is the Alpha Second Flight under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Martin Julio F. Medina, First Class. Approaching is the Bravo Squadron Commander under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Lian Luis A. Enriquez, First Class. Approaching is the Bravo First Flight under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Ian Miguel D. Madrigo, First Class. Approaching is the Bravo Second Flight under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Sebastian A. Gleason, First Class. May we request everyone, please rise for the passing of colors by Cadet Major Stephen Reyes, Rural, First Class. You may take your seat. Approaching is the Second Air Group under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Micaela Luis F. Atienza, First Class. Approaching is the Charlie Squadron Commander and Staff under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Ann M. Amagin, First Class. Approaching is the Charlie First Flight under the command of Cadet Captain Margaret Lauren S. Valenzuela, First Class. Approaching is the Charlie Second Flight under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Chris Jason U. Maulion, First Class. Approaching is the Delta Squadron Commander under the command of Cadet Captain Annika Beatrice P. Tibay, First Class. Approaching is the Delta First Flight under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Mary Gabriel Santos, First Class. Approaching is the Delta Second Flight under the command of Cadet First Lieutenant Andrea Nicole A. Merino, First Class.
One to 10. Sobrang galing. Very good. All basic cadets, all are in cadets. Flight leaders, very good. Squadron commander, very good. Air group commander, also very good. Foreign staff, very good. But doon sa part na maganda sa pagsasali sa kapatakapan, the first air group is doing right, while the second air group is not doing right. But, tayo na nakakaroon. Pero the commander, she has the initiative to recover, to give the what we call immediate instruction. It is part of the history. Congratulations. Very good. Very good. Okay, at this point, you have 1 hour and a half to relax, but Mr. Garang will announce something. Congratulations!
Congratulations, cadets. Good morning, grade 10. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You did well, grade 10. So at this point, all the classrooms are open. You can put your bags inside and stay there until 8:30. We're going to assemble here at 8:30 to prepare for the theater graduation. Is that understood?
I mean, it would have been embarrassing.
Thank you po, guests and parents, for supporting